Hello viewers, Mike here, and we're working on this Doall 2-speed transmission here today. And the first thing we're going to do is put a new bearing on this output shaft. I like to put a little heat to these press-on bearings, and even if I don't get them hot enough to let them fall on, at least it makes it easier and less prone to damage. Well, I've repurposed this little Fry Daddy here, and I find that does a pretty good job of heating these bearings up. Plus, it smells like French fries.
Ow, that's hot. And now I'll just work it down until it's in position, and I'll keep it as square as I can as I go. If I would have left this in the Fry Daddy a little longer, it would have been hotter and it probably would have fallen right on. I need to work on my patience. The old bearing had about 28 thousandths of clearance. That should be close enough. I don't think that's all that important. The bottom end of this shaft has a bronze pilot bearing, and I turned a new one up on the lathe and pressed it in the other day, and I apologize for not recording that. The old bearing had an extended hub, and the replacement was about $70. So I bought a standard bearing, and this little washer that you see me pressing on now is to replace the hub that doesn't exist on the standard bearing. So everything seems to be rolling pretty smooth, and this shaft is ready to go. And here you can see that 28 thousandths of clearance I was talking about. And here you can see that extended hub on the right-hand side of this old bearing. That's all for now, so stay tuned as we continue work on this old bandsaw.